In this video, we're looking at practice number 6 that starts on page 12. This is talking about verb tense, basic verb tense, present, past, and future. If you have not watched the instructional video, please do that first. Or if you've had a class with your teacher on this subject, that's fine too. But you need some of the instruction before you try this exercise. So taking a look here at the first paragraph, it says to read the paragraph, then answer questions 1 through 6. On sunny days, I blank in the woods. Yesterday, I blank a stroll that lasted an hour. I blank the woods on the path by the park. I stopped at a clearing and blank to the birds sing. Today, I blank peaceful and relaxed. Tomorrow, I blank again. Number 1. Which of these would best fit in blank 1? So if we look at that first sentence, it says, on sunny days, I blank in the woods. That is a present tense situation. Every time it's sunny outside, I walk in the woods. And notice that the instructions tell us to choose the best answer. What that means is that more than one answer could fit, but we want the best choice. Number 2. Yesterday, I blank a stroll that lasted an hour. Yesterday is past tense. It's an adverb that tells me that it is already in the past. So yesterday, I took, do take, will take, or take. The only past tense option is took. So let's go back to the sentence, make sure it fits. Yesterday, I took a stroll that lasted an hour. I blank the woods on the path by the park. Number 3. Enter, entered, will enter, do enter. This was happening yesterday, in the past. Yesterday, I entered. I stopped at a clearing and blank to the birds sing. Now this one has a clue in it that you may not notice immediately. So let me show you. You see this ed on stopped? That's past tense. Again, we are talking about the walk yesterday. I stopped at a clearing. So I'm looking for a past tense verb, and that would be listened, past tense. Will listen is future. Both of these are present. Listened is in the past. Let me go ahead and mark that for this one also. Enter is present tense, or it could be the infinitive form. Will enter is future, and do enter is present. Here, took is of course past tense. Do take is present. Will take is future. Take is present or infinitive. In number 1, will walk is future. Walked is past, as is did walk. I should have been doing that all along here. Okay, number 5. Let's look at sentence 5 first. Today I blank peaceful and relaxed. So we are talking about the present tense. Today I blank peaceful and relaxed. So present is what I'm looking for. Felt is past. Feel is present. Will feel is future. Did feel is past. And we need the present tense. Today I feel relaxed. Tomorrow, I'm running out of colors. Let's not use that one, that's too close. Tomorrow I blank again. Tomorrow is future. It hasn't happened yet. So for number 6, I need the future tense. Here is future. Went is past. Go is present or infinitive. And so do go is also present. So I'm going to go with will go since I'm talking about tomorrow. So that completes our paragraph. Number 7, read the sentence. 1 year ago today, I blank my first word in Chinese. 1 year ago is past tense. Don't let the word today fool you. 1 year ago, I blank my first word in Chinese. Which of these correctly completes the sentence? Learn is present or infinitive. Will learn hasn't happened yet. Learned is past. Do learn is present. 1 year ago, I learned my first word in Chinese. Number 8. Read the sentence. John blank one book at the beginning of every month and reads it over the following 2 weeks. Now notice that the word reads is in the present tense. John buys 1 book. John did buy 1 book. John will buy 1 book. Or John bought 1 book. Reads is in the present. So the verb I need is also a present tense verb, and that is A. John buys 1 book at the beginning of every month and reads it over the following 2 weeks. Number 9. We have another paragraph. Read the paragraph Then answer questions 9 through 14. Last week, it blank for 3 solid days. Businesses blank for the whole week. Kids blank in the snow and blank snow forts. The snow blank soon. The forecasters say temperatures blank next week. So let's look for some of those time clues. There's last week. That's past tense. And then I have next week. That will be future tense. So that's really all of the obvious clues that I see, but there are others. So let's take these one at a time and we'll take a look. Which of these would best fit in blank 1? Well, last week is past tense, so I'm looking for a past tense verb. Snows is present. Snowed is past. Does snow is present. Will snow is future. We need the past. Last week it snowed for 3 solid days. Businesses blank for the whole week. Now this whole week is last week. It's the week that has already happened. Businesses close. That's the present form or the infinitive form. They will close. That's future. Closed is past. Do close is present. Closed for the whole week. And let's always go back and make sure that it sounds right. The green sentence. Businesses closed for the whole week. Kids blank in the snow and blank snow forts. Again, this has already happened last week. Kids played in the snow. Kids play. That's present or infinitive. Do play is present. Will play is future. It's already happened, so it is past tense. They played in the snow. Number 4. They played in the snow and blank snow forts. Already happened. Build. Do build. Will build. Or built. They built. They have already done this. Number 5. The snow blank soon. Soon is a clue that this has not happened yet. It is in the future, the near future, but it has not happened yet. So, which would best fit? We need future. Will melt. Melted. Did melt. Melts. If it's going to happen soon, it will melt. And the last one. The forecasters say temperatures blank next week. It hasn't happened yet. Temperatures rise. That's present or infinitive. Whoops, sorry. Did rise. That's past. Will rise next week. And rose is also a past form. We want the future. Next week, the temperatures will rise. So let me read this paragraph again and put in the answers we chose. Last week it snowed for 3 solid days. Businesses closed for the whole week. Kids played in the snow and built snow forts. The snow will melt soon. The forecasters say temperatures will rise next week. Number 15. Read the sentence. Jules blank trade school after he graduates. Which of these correctly completes the sentence? So trade school is in the future. It's going to happen after he graduates. So I have will attend, attended, did attend, or attends. After he graduates, that's in the future. He will attend trade school in the future. Number 16. Read the sentence. Next month, she blank her first marathon. Next month. Which of these correctly completes the sentence? Ran, will run, did run, does run. Next month she will run her first marathon. Number 17 is not there. Is that all we had to do? It is. That was a short lesson. Verb tense. Basic verb tense. In the next lesson, let me go ahead and flip over there. We're still looking at verb tense, but we're looking at one that is not one of our basic types. It's the perfect tense. So I will see you soon. If you have questions on practice number 6, please ask your instructor. And have a good day.